What's going down? So in this particular video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about creating a Google My Business profile and why it's important. So Google My Business is a free feature that Google actually gives all business owners in order to create them an actual profile. And the benefits of having a Google My Business profile are, have you ever tried to search something on Google and you might put near me? So you might put like pizza near me, or food near me, or something of that nature, or maybe a product or service like shoes near me and things like that. Okay, so when you put in this different type of information, usually a profile comes up. That's because the business has their Google My Business profile set up. It allows local people in your area to actually find your product or service based on their Google search. It also allows you to leave reviews and different things like that to really build your authority within inside of Google. So the first things you want to do in order to set up a Google My Business profile are going to be type in Google My Business in your browser. So you're going to type in Google My Business and then your browser, and then you're going to go to accounts.google.com where it says Google My Business, and you're going to click here. All right, so if you aren't already signed in, it might ask you to sign in, but all you're going to do is sign in, and then pretty much from here, once you're actually in, you're going to go over here, and then you want to go on these three dots. So you want to go next to your logo on these three dots and type in My Business. Go click on My Business. Once you click on the My Business feature and have that load up, let's see, internet's moving slow. Anything that doesn't happen in 3 seconds, we think slow now, right? But so you're going to go here, and then you're going to go to Manage Now. Once you click on Manage Now, it's actually going to take you to set up the Google My Business profile. So we're going to type in our business name and just go through this. This is for Connections, so we're doing Connections Hub, like this. Like that, and then we're going to create a new business. All right, so it's going to ask the category. In this category, it kind of goes right there. That's when it's going to pop up. So that helps you get discovered for particular products or services somebody might be typing in. So we'll put events. No, we'll put like more so of, do they have anything with network? Yeah, business networking company. Okay, go to next. So do you want to be added at a location? Customers can locate your store or your office. So this is good because if somebody types in near me, it's tracking their location based on your location. So you're actually able to add in a particular location that you might have in order for Google My Business to really read it. So we'll type in yes, and we're gonna go to next. And then we put what's the location. So for this video, I'll just put in I'm gonna put in a dummy location. Well, I'll put in an address. Well, no, a dummy location. 123 North Post Oak Lane, Houston, Texas, and kind of go through, and then we go to next. Okay, so do you serve customers at this location, or do you serve them elsewhere? So we can put no, I don't, because that's actually not the location. But for the sake of this video, remember, put your location. And then you want to put in the contact information. So remember, this is going to be contact information that shows up on your profile. So if you don't want it to be a personal number, don't put your personal number. Although you can white out contact information as far as somebody not being able to see it, still, if you don't want it to be your personal number, your personal stuff, please put your business information here, because this is a business Google My Business profile. So my contact information would be this number right here. Current website, we can put and kind of go to next. If you don't have a website, you can put don't have website, or get a free website. You can get a free one, but I would recommend just put if you don't have one, but I don't have a website. Go to next. And it asks what date updates and recommendations for your business. So do you want to stay in the know? Usually you can put yes or no. I usually put no. I'm not looking for updates, but in your sense, you should probably put yes. I'm just assigned to Google in other aspects, so I'm always in the know. So you can go. All right, so it's going to verify. So that's another thing. Whatever number that you use, and make sure it's a number that you have access to and it's a right number, because you might get this, for instance, where they want to verify something. So that's an actual number. So you can put a call or a text. I'll put text. Okay, so let me see the text. Okay, so they shot me the text. All right, then we put verify. kind of go on. The account is authorized, then we can go to next. All right, so now it's gonna ask what are your business hours and things of that nature. For this sake of the video, I'm gonna say skip. I would recommend you go ahead and put yours in if you know them, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna say skip. Or how about I just turn them all on, so where it's all just 24 hours. And then you go to next. Oh, I have to put something, so let's just put 24 hours. All right, go to next. Add messaging. So this allows people to message you on Google My Business. It's free. I'll put yes, we'll accept messages. And then you add a description. So for the sake of the video, I'm not going to put anything right there as of now, but I can. I'll just put something simple for that, but definitely put your business description of what you want to show and go to next. And then you want to add any photos. So if you have any photos that you want to add and things like that to really showcase the business, showcase the storefront, or showcase your services, you can put them there. I'll skip this for now. And claim advertising or anything like that, I'll skip this for now. And then your business is almost ready, so we just continue and going through the process, and boom, so we have a Google My Business profile. But we're not done yet. Now within this profile, I want you to actually go through and fill out all your information. So a lot of times business owners might have a Google My Business profile, but they don't have all their information filled out to where they're actually populating and show up. So Google actually has to where it lets you know how much of your profile you have completed and what are some steps that you need to complete. But it's also good to just kind of click on each one of these step by step and look at what it is and fill it out. So if you have an offer, you want to create an offer, go ahead and do that now. Then you go down to info and it asks you some of the same info it made you type in to set it up. It's already in place there for you, but anything that it didn't, go ahead and add it. Add your products, add any attributes. Click on each one of these actual kind of pencil things and fill out the information in order for it to be filled up with everything Google needs in order to feed your website to your particular client, to offer them your products or your services. That's just your insight. So it lets you know what are your metrics for the month of Google, how many people landed on your website from Google and things of that nature. You're actually able to send reviews, so you can leave reviews and send this to people. That way they can leave your reviews. The kind of messaging option that it added, the photos, you can add photos of of your brick and mortar spot or your services. They actually give you a free website. I would recommend we're not setting this up, so kind of just leave it blank. Again, do not set it up. Don't really do nothing on the website page. How can I get out of this? So don't do nothing here. And then really just go through this from home all the way down to photos and make sure you have all the information that's needed filled in for Google My Business. And then we'll talk about this on our next call. So I hope to see you soon and keep going through it. You're doing a really, really great job. We're almost there.